Starlink, ano na? Yun nga, so I have a biggest chika about Starlink. So I have been using Starlink for quite some time now, and I encountered an issue yesterday at around 7 p.m. or last night. Not hindi pala siya yesterday, but last night at 7 p.m. in the evening. Uh, Yesterday, okay naman siya, yung Starlink kit ko, online naman siya. Pero dumating yung 7 PM kagabi, may nangyaring hindi talaga or hindi ko inaasahan. And what I did is, yun nga, uh, I'll just have to, put some clips and do some voice recording para at least if you encounter this uh, ano if you encounter this problem, at least 'di ba, take it from me na talagang you can rely on me kasi nangyari sa akin, and these are the things that what I did for me to get online again sa Starlink. So see you on the clip.
So ito yung nangyari sa Starlink ko kagabi by 7 p.m. Ganun lang siya, always connecting. And para masasabi talaga na connected ka na, yung dapat makalagay dyan is online, not connecting. Pero meron naman siyang internet at that time, pero always lang siyang connecting talaga. Sabi ko, hala, paano to? I don't know what to do kasi at that time, I have class eh. So, hinayaan ko lang since I have internet. And I also ask some users or my friends na who is using Starlink din, yon. And sabi nila sa akin na okay naman daw yung Starlink nila and walang problema. So after my shift at 10 p.m. kasi natapos ako ng 10 p.m. kagabi, I connect to my friends in the other parts of the Philippines who is also using Starlink, and I asked them if they also encounter the same problem. Kasi I do speed test and okay naman yung speed niya pero always lang siyang connecting. So sabi ko na, hala, teach, ano kayang nangyari dito? Uh, is there an issue? Ganito, ganyan. Kasi meron naman siyang internet. Sabi nila na mag-speed test ka. I run a speed test via Starlink app and via Okla. Okay naman yung internet niya. Pero the problem lang is, wala talaga siyang, hindi siya online yung nakatatak. Always lang siyang connecting, and connecting as what you see in the previous video. Yun lang yung naging problema ko at that time. So, I check my account as well sa Starlink app. Okay naman siya. Visible naman yung account ko. Uh, Malaman mo talaga if wala talaga kasi unable to find your information yung nakalagay sa with my name and account number. Pero okay naman siya. Sabi ko, hala, ano kayang nangyari dito? So, yun. Ano pa ano kaya yung nangyari talaga sa Starlink account ko? So, I ano, I look for options sa Facebook group, sa TikTok, pero walang nakakasagot sa question ko kung ano yung nangyari sa mismong Starlink kit ko right now, that time or last night. Yun. Ayun. So, what I did is, for me to resolve the issue, I have to contact the support of Starlink via app. So, I created a ticket and luckily I got a response from them and they told me na may sira talaga yung Starlink ko and need to be replaced. And sabi ko, hala, paano to? Ah, kailangan ko ulit, tawag dito, so ganyan. Oh my, so, kasi buti na lang, yung nakalagay is free siya and hindi sila mag-require ng bayad. Pero they reassure that my Starlink will be replaced. Uh, yun nga, nandito na siya sa ano, sa mismong website na nakapending na siya na ipapadala. And good news kasi Gen 3 yung ipapalit, yung bagong generation ng Starlink. So, yun yung ano, kinagandahan.
So, ayun yung nangyari. Sabi ko, hala, okay, I have to wait again for a span of 3 weeks for me to receive the kit or the new kit, the Gen 3 kit. Sabi ko, hala, paano to? I have work. So, I search online. I have friends as well na they will also connect fiber. So, siguro magpapakabit lang din ako ng fiber. Kasi I lost my hope talaga with Starlink. Kasi sabi ko, I have work, I need it. Kasi I have work, I have duties, and paano siya? Paano ako makakausad if wala akong internet? And what I did is I do some basic troubleshooting. Yun nga, ah, kaninang umaga at 4 AM, I do some basic troubleshooting. What I did is, just in my mind talaga that time na sabi ko, what if i-factory reset ko siya? Yun. What I did is factory reset ko siya. And after that, I unplug it and I was loop losing my hope talaga na, okay, tinanggap ko na talaga na wala na, sira na yung Starlink ko. Uh, so, after that, at around 7 a.m. in the morning, natulog ako, yun. And yun nga, after ko natulog, I just woke up at 12. And then, after, trinay ko siya na ano, saksak ulit yung Starlink ko, i-set up ulit. So, ito yung nangyari.
Tas ito na yung nangyari. Sabi ko, hala, bakit restricted yung account ko? Sabi ko, baka ni-restrict nila kasi may bagong darating na ano, na Starlink kit. Kaya ni-restrict nila. So, may nakalagay din na no active subscription. Sabi ko, activated naman to yung Starlink account ko. Bakit need ko pa ulit na i-activate yung subscription ko? Yun. So, inactivate ko siya. Then, after the activation, ang next process ito is ito na siya. So, after I click the learn more, ito yung lumabas. So, I have to pay for 1,600 uh, for me to activate the new kit. Sabi ko, ha, bakit ako magbabayad ulit? May available credits naman ako na 5,400. Why not i-deduct nilang nila? Pero I took the risk din talaga na magbayad. Sabi ko na, what if, bayaran ko na lang to, pwede naman siyang ma-escalate sa support. I just have to send another or create another ticket. Then, yun, ito yung nangyari. Yun nga, as what you see, yung available credits ko is 5,400. Pero, since nag-ano ako ng 1,500 para ma-online yung account ko, naging 3,801 na lang siya yung naging credits ko. So, I just have, tawag dito, I created a ticket again sa support and explaining what happened, ganito, ganyan. I explain myself, explain myself. I made an explanation to them na yun, ito yung nangyari. I do some basic troubleshooting and yun, ito na siya. And ayun, nakabalik na. Diyos ko. Uh, After I pay sa 1,500 o 1,600 to be exact, online siya ulit. Nasabi ko, my God!
Tawag dito, after that, nag-online na siya, working na siya ulit right now. And I was just so disappointed with Starlink. 'di ba? Kasi imagine, kailangan mo ulit ano, magbayad pala ng 1,600 even though you have an existing, subscription sa kanila. And I was also, tawag dito, I was also waiting for their response, sa ticket na ni-raise ko sa kanila. Hopefully, let's see what will happen sa next video if matutuloy ba yung Gen 3 na bagong kit or you have to uh, give another service credit again. Kasi nakabayad kasi ako ng 1.5. So let's see uh, how it runs. So that's it for today. See you on my next video. Bye.